Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic Chrome Continue where you left off. Let's start with the first question. What is Chrome Continue? Chrome Continue is a feature by which you can continue your browsing from where you left. There are many possible ways to do it. It also allows you to transfer your search from one device to another. This feature is quite helpful and makes our browsing experience much better. In this article, we are going to talk about Chrome Continue in detail. We will also see some of the methods to set up Chrome Continue. Chrome Continue use. The main use of this setting tool is to allow you to restore your last session. This means that you will be allowed to continue where you have left browsing. This thing is done using the history and 3 caches collected from the website you visited last. It is known as Chrome Continue. Now let's see what are the methods to set up Chrome Continue. Starting with the first method, using the Chrome inbuilt function. In this section, you will see how we can enable the Chrome to continue from the Chrome itself using any third-party apps. Let's see how you can use it. First, launch Chrome browser on your PC. Open a new tab. You can do so by clicking plus sign on the top of the page. Now click on the 3 buttons on the top right side of the page. You have to click on the settings button. Head down to the page until you find on startup. Select continue where you left option. Now you can close the setting app. Method 2. Using third-party app integration. This process is very easy. You just have to download and install the integration on your browser and you will all set for the browser continue to feature. Follow the steps below. Launch Chrome browser on your PC. Open a new tab. Now click on the 3 buttons on the top right side of the page. Click on More Tools and select the extension option. Search for Continue where you left off. Click on Add to Chrome button. It will set for you. Method 3. Using the Send to Phone option. In this case, you can use this method to complete your work without any disturbance. However, this method will only work if your email ID is synchronized both to the computer and your device. The instructions are: launch Chrome browser on your PC, open a new tab, search for the website you want to visit, right click on the search result, send link to phone option. You will get a notification on your phone with the link of the website. Conclusion. With that, we are wrapping this video. This is all about Chrome Continue. It is a very easy and useful feature of Chrome. It allows you never to leave your work behind. This function serves a lot of time and effort. We have also seen use as well as some of the alternatives for Chrome Continue. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share it. And don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.